Hello, kids. Hope y'all are fine. During this vacation, are you ready to start the educational journey with your friend Jerome? Please join with us.
Welcome to back my Jerome family YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about birds. Are you ready? Here we go. Parrot, oriole, myna, peacock, big bubble, owl, crow, bulbul. Now let's next page. Peacock, crane, rooster, eagle, falcon, kingfisher, quail, sparrow, chirpy, pigeon, bird, cuckoo, crow, flamingo, seagull, cuckoo bird, swan, Indian peacock, black drongo, magpie. Great job. Parrot, oriole, myna, woodpecker, bubble, owl, crow, bulbul, peacock, crane, rooster, eagle, falcon, kingfisher, quail, sparrow, myna, pigeon, bird, cuckoo, crow, flamingo, crow, flamingo, seagull, cuckoo bird, swan, Indian peacock, black drongo, magpie. Very good.